Hello everyone. Today I will guide you on how to add apps and icons to your desktop on any computer running Windows 10 and 11. It is a straightforward process. Begin by right-clicking on the desktop, go to Personalize and select Themes. Scroll down and click on Desktop Icon Settings. To add icons, simply check the desired options under the desktop icon section. For instance, if you want computer and recycle bin icon, check the boxes and click OK. Now this PC and recycle bin icon is on your desktop. To add apps and games, click on the Start menu in the bottom left corner. Then in the right corner, select All apps. From here, click and drag any app to the desktop, releasing your cursor to add it. That's it. You have successfully added icons and apps to your desktop. Thanks for your time.